Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to start the Geology Optional Paper 1. It is a comprehensive course on Geology Optional Paper 1 for UPSC, CSC and Indian Forest Service. And before starting the classes, let me introduce myself. And this is me. I am Naveen Nayak. I completed my BTech in Civil Engineering and I am passionate towards teaching and researching. And before starting the classes of Geology Optional Paper 1, it is very important to know the syllabus for Geology Optional. And here we can see here the syllabus, UPSC Optional Syllabus for Geology Paper 1. There are total 6 chapters in the optional paper, and let's see what are the topics in each chapter. In the first chapter is General Geology. The topics are the solar system, meteoroids, origin and interior of the earth, and age of earth, volcanoes, causes and products, volcanic belts, earthquakes, causes, effects, seismic zones of India, island arches, trenches and mid-oceanic ridges, continental drifts, seafloor spreading, plate tectonics and isothermy. And first chapter is very common, and these topics are I think you all learn in the geography UPSC syllabus also, and this is very common. And if you had read in the geography, and it is very easy for you, and I will also teach for you these topics. And in the second chapter is morphology and remote sensing, and the topics are basic concepts of geomorphology, weathering and social soil formations, landforms, slopes and drainages, geomorphic cycles and their interpretation, morphology and its relations to structures, and lithology, coastal geomorphology, application of geomorphology in mineral prospecting, civil engineering, hydrological and environment studies, geomorphology of Indian subcontinent, aerial photography and their interpretations, merits and limitations, the electromagnetic spectrum, orbiting satellites and sensor systems, Indian remote sensing satellites, data products, application of remote sensing in geology, the geographic information system GIS, and global positioning system GPS and its applications. In the second chapter I can tell that remote sensing and GIS GPS is a very important topic which will give you a good marks if you read these topics good. And in the third chapter is structural geology. We see in this chapter we see the structures of the rocks, and these topics are principle of geologic mapping and map reading, projection diagrams, stress and strain epistoloid and stress strain relationships of elastic, plastic and viscous materials, and strain markers in deformed rocks, behavior of minerals and rocks under deformation conditions, folds and faults, classification and mechanics, and structural analysis of folds, foliation, lineation, joints of faults, unconformities, time relationship between crystallization and deformation. And in the fourth chapter is paleontology, and in the paleontology we see the fossils, related to fossils, and species definition and nomenclature, megafossils and microfossils, mode of preservation of fossils, different kind of microfossils, application of microfossils in correlation, petroleum exploration, paleoclimatic and paleoceanographic studies, evolutionary trends in Homidue, Epidue, Proboscideo, and Shivalik fauna, Gondwana flora, fauna and its importance, and index fossils and their significance. These are the topics in the fourth chapter, and in this chapter these all are related to fossils, and I will show the pictures also. What I too have the pics of the fossils, and I will show you the pics, and I will explain you detailedly of this chapter. And in the fifth chapter is Indian stratigraphy, and in this chapter we see classification of stratigraphy sequences, lithostratigraphy, biostratigraphy, chronostratigraphy and magnetostratigraphy and their time interrelationships, distribution and classification of Precambrian rocks of India, study of stratigraphy, distribution and lithology of Phaerozoic rocks of India with reference to fauna, flora and economic importance, major boundary problems, Cambrian, Precambrian, Permian, Triassic, Cretaceous, Tertiary and Paleocene or Pleistocene, study of climate conditions, paleogeography and igneous activity in the Indian subcontinent, in the geological past, tectonic framework of India, evolution of Himalayas. And fifth chapter is very important chapter because it will give the more marks and more questions, and you can see the more questions in the question paper. And in the sixth chapter we can see the sixth chapter is hydrogeology and engineering geology, and sixth chapter is related to the I can say it is a engineering subject topics, and the topics are hydrology cycle and genetic classification of water, movement of subsurface water, springs, porosity, permeability, hydraulic conductivity, transmissivity and storage coefficient, and classification of aquifer. And these are the topics. These all are topics are engineering topics. And water bearing characteristic of rocks, groundwater chemistry, salt water intrusion, types of wells, drainage basin, morphometry, exploration of groundwater recharge, problems and management of groundwater, rainwater harvesting, engineering properties of rocks, geological investigation of dams, tunnels, highways, railway and bridges, rocks as construction materials, landslides causes, prevention and rehabilitations, earthquake resistant structure. And sixth chapter is very important because this all are related to the what are the problems we face in daily lives, like landslides and floods, and everything which is mostly related to nature. Next we see the weightage questions, how many questions are asked from each chapter. And I said that there are 6 chapters in the geology optional paper 1, and the questions we can see here, there are I taken 6 previous years questions, and I found that these are the questions, how many questions they have gave from each chapter. And from the general geology, the total from each year total is 19, and in the second chapter is 33, and in the third chapter is 25, and in the fourth chapter is 30, and in the fifth chapter is 19, and in the sixth chapter is 26. We can see here we can see here from each year how many questions are asked from each chapter. And 2020 it's 4 questions in first chapter, 6 questions from second chapter, 4 questions from third chapter, 5 questions from fourth chapter, 5 questions from fifth chapter, and 6 questions from fourth chapter. And I can say that from the second chapter and fourth chapter the most questions will come, and it is very important chapter, and this all topics, I think this all topics will be new for you. And you can see in the general geology and Indian stratigraphy, you find that the most of the topics you may know, and you can see these topics in the geography subject of UPSC. And in the sixth chapter, these topics you can see in the disaster management. Some are related to disaster management. And from Monday I will start the classes. Every week there will be 3 classes of geology optional paper 1, and I will complete the whole geology optional paper 1 in less than 3 months. And if I get request for the paper 2 also, I may take the paper 2 geology optional if I get support from you guys. And thanks for watching the video, and if you like this video, please share, subscribe and like, and share with your friends and tell them to watch the videos, and I will provide you the materials also for each classes. Thank you.